Today, I'm going to talk about 5 passive income streams that you can indulge in. Have you ever wondered how some people make money while they sleep? Well, that's because they have made passive income streams for themselves. It requires little to no effort and it's not about your time. Initially, you have put in some effort, but afterwards, once you set it up, the money will flow in without you having to work for it. These income streams are different to the way money is earned through traditional sources like jobs or businesses. Whereas in jobs or businesses, you have to continuously work day in and day out in order to gain an income. As you may remember from my previous video, I explained 5 passive income streams in a video named 5 Passive Income Ideas Part 1. You can subscribe to my channel and watch the video, or you can also click on the white circle at the top with the letter I to check out that video where I shared you about 5 passive income streams. So today, I'm going to talk about another 5 passive income ideas. Before we dive in, I'm Mario De Oliveira, PhD student conducting my research in the field of management of finance. So continuing from my previous video, the number 6 passive income stream is renting out assets. First, rent out what you already own. Got a spare room? Rent it. Try Airbnb. Got an additional car? Then rent it. Got some storage space? Then rent that extra storage to earn a passive income. Passive income stream number 7. Real estate investments. Invest in real estate to earn passive income through rental properties or real estate investment trusts. There are success stories of people that I know who exchanged a single property for 10 cash flow properties, which shows the potential for significant returns. Real estate investment options include rental properties, real estate crowdfunding, or REITs. Some people call it real estate investment trusts. These provide income from rent or dividends with varying levels of initial capital required. Then passive income stream number 8, dividend investing. This is where you buy shares of companies that pay you regular dividends, like Coca-Cola, Apple, Tesla, Google, etc. It's like getting a thank you check just for owning stock. Start small. There are various apps where you could start earning from as little as $5. Number 9, index funds. These are the type of investments that tracks a specific stock market index like the S&P 500, Nasdaq, or Bloomberg. Index funds are considered a low-cost passive investment strategy that can help you diversify an investor's portfolio. How they work is, invest funds buy stocks of every company in a market index and don't try to actively decide which investments to buy or sell. And the benefits of investing in index funds are that the index funds can have low fees, tax advantages, and are genuinely considered to be low risk than individual stocks. Passive income stream number 10, YouTube or podcast revenue. And finally, create content and upload. Just find a niche and share what you are passionate about. Be innovative, consistent, and continuously improve. Once you start building an audience, you can earn from AdSense revenue, sponsorships, or affiliate links. It takes time to grow, but the income is passive once the content is up. So which one of these ideas spark your interest? Remember, the key is to start small and stay consistent, and it's the best way to buy back your financial freedom. And as I mentioned earlier, if you'd like to know more about how to make passive income through any of these streams, then please make a comment in the comment section so that I'll make a separate video elaborating passive income streams that you have requested. Now it's your turn. Pick one of these strategies, drop it in the comments. Let's talk about your goals. If you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tips. I'll see you again in another video. Take care. Bye for now.